Okay, welcome back. So now let's go down here and let's implement this add task, okay? As we are using the WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver, we can use the Selenium functions. So we can, for example, find an element by ID, and I don't know what is the ID, so we'll put anything here, okay? And I will import the by method here, so it's an uppercase. So let's inspect this title, this object here. Let's see if it has, for example, an ID that can help us, and it is. It has an ID, so let's interact with it. I will not return anything right here. I will just send a key. And it can be just hard-coded for now, okay? And we also need to push this button here. So it doesn't have any ID to help us. So that's not a problem. Let's just copy it here and let's use the CSS selector. But this is not a course about Selenium, so I will do the things in the easiest way possible. So just grab the selector here and I will push it here, okay? And in this case, I will click. So let's run the test and check what happens. Okay, so we had an issue. No such element. Let's pause and inspect what happened. Okay, I made a mistake. I was explaining about the framework, but I forgot to navigate to this page. Okay, so first we need to navigate to it, of course, and also I needed to change this CSS selector. It was not working properly. I guess I copied the wrong one. So now if we test it, we can see, let's put timely slip here just to show you. If we run, we can, oh, it's not, okay. It's expecting before, so let's go here. It's breaking before the slip. So if we go here, we can see the task was added, okay? But we still have some issues in this test, so we are expecting the actual value is none, and we are expecting full, okay? So let's remove this and return something, and I don't know what is it. So in this case, to assert that we are creating the task, I can just create a test here, and I know that every time that I create a new task, this information is returned to me. So I will inspect it and return this text. So let's go here again and return. Let's do it again, self driver, find element by ID in this case. And the ID is this one that we already expected. We are going to return the text. And in this case, we expect the text to be this one. Okay, let's test it and check the test. Okay, it's working fine. So if we put something here that's not matching the expected result, we can see that now we have the actual and the expected values not working fine. Okay, so in our test, this flow will repeat over and over and over. Okay, now let's check other things. Let's improve this test and implement other applications. You will see that this is very repetitive. Okay, you don't need to think a lot to implement the scenarios. Okay, hope you in the next video.